Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Manvitha. Friends, today I am going to give the information of the topic wastewater treatment plant. So before talking about the wastewater treatment plant, friends, please like my video and share my video. Let's talk about the wastewater treatment plant. So there are three methods involved in this wastewater treatment plant. They are physical, chemical and biological methods. So today I am going to talk about the physical method. Physical method. So in this physical method, we are using the physical method for cleaning the wastewater. And there are 5 processes involved in this physical method. So there are 5 processes. So those 5 processes are sedimentation, aeration, filtration, screening and skimming. Got it? So and in this physical method there is no chemicals involved while cleaning the wastewater. Got it? So let's talk about these 5 processes and what are the uses. The first process is the sedimentation. So sedimentation is a process which suspends all the heavy and insoluble particles from the wastewater. Insoluble particles means the particles or the substances which do not dissolve in the wastewater or the water. Got it? So when we pour mud or the wastewater in the water or in a glass, so it will settle down at the bottom for 30 to 40 minutes. So after settling down at the bottom, this method is called as sedimentation, and the upside the pure water will be there. So that pure water can be poured to the another glass, and the wastewater or the sediments or the particles will be settled down at the bottom only. Got it? So this process is called as sedimentation. And the second process is the aeration. So, aeration is the process which circulates the air through water to provide oxygen to it. So, a bucket will be there, and that fully wastewater will be there. We will close the cap to it. Then we will not get the oxygen. So, then after 4 to 5 days over, it will lead to fully smell. We cannot survive also. Any doubts in reading? One of the non-stop solution is the Doubtnut app. Click the question which you want and crop that question correctly and get the video solution in 5 seconds. And homeworks will be there: CBSE board, UP, Bihar, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, MP and other state boards. And it's for class 6 to 12, IIT-JEE, mains and advanced NEET. And also subjects of physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. And there are quotas top faculty teachers there: GB sir, NJ sir, AA ma'am and Prince sir. Now on Doubtnut app. So, trusted by 3 crore plus students. Download now the Doubtnut app. It will raise. So, then if oxygen is not there, then how can it live, or how can it be prevented by the smell? So, oxygen is needed for the wastewater. So, it can prevent the smell. So, we should open that cap and lift. Oxygen will come and then it can be prevent the smell. So this process is called as aeration. Got it? So the next and third process is the filtration. So filtration is the process which filters the contaminants from the wastewater. Contaminants means the insoluble particles, also called as the non-dissolved particles from the wastewater, and the special kind of filter is used in the filtration. That filter is which pass the insoluble and heavy particles from the wastewater. Got it? So a filter paper will be there. If you pour that, it will pass the insoluble and heavy particles from the wastewater. And the sand filter is the most commonly used filter, which removes the oil, fat and grease from the wastewater. Got it? So this process is called as the filtration. So the next process is the screening. Screening is the process which removes the last non-biodegradable substances from the wastewater. Those non-biodegradable substances are plastic bottles, plastic covers, plastic covers or plastic items, and also the paper, tan, can, etc. So it will be removed by the process screening. So the last non-biodegradable means the substances which do not dissolve in the mud or which do not dissolve, like it will become a compost, but these substances will not become a compost. Got it? So if the screening process is not done, it leads to a pipe damages or any other damages. It will stock them in a pipe. So this screening process will be very important for it to prevent from the pipe damages and etc. So the next and the last process is the skimming. Skimming is the last process which is used to prevent the smell. So this skimming process is the process which removes all the floating matters like oil, fat and grease from the wastewater until it will be removed for 1 year, or it will be for a long time. It will be floating on the surface of the wastewater only. It will not be clear. So the skimming is the very important process, otherwise we will not get the pure water from it. Got it? So friends, this is the information of the topic wastewater treatment plant. Thank you.